Okay, so far we've gotten Blender set up with these three main windows. I've got my two different videos in here and I've spent some time aligning them. So the audio is my key to making sure the video is lined up. Now, we don't actually want these video tracks. I'm going to select this and bring the opacity back to 1 or 100%. I don't want these changed because I want to make it look like as clean a video as we can. So we're going to make a mask. And so a mask, imagine having a little piece of paper where I'm going to take this ukulele video on top and cut a piece of paper out so that the ukulele guy is the only thing out of this layer that we see. So that's where this area goes in. So I've gone here, I selected the image editor. This is a little more versatile than the video movie clip editor, but it's possible to do it down here in the movie clip editor. Image editor, instead of view, I'm going to go to the mask mode. And we can just slide these windows back over here so I have a little more workspace. Slide this over a little bit more so I have these tabs over here. And I'm going to go new mask, and we'll call this the ukulele mask, the mask cube, just so I know this is a specific mask here. And I'm going to open up that same ukulele video from my working directory. So I have it open here and I have it open here in two different spots. And that's sort of a counterintuitive thing, that each part of Blender has a different, has to open the same video in a different way. Now, to create a mask, I can add a square or a circle, or I can press Control. I'm pressing Control right now, and using my mouse to click, Control click, Control click, Control click, and create this custom little bounding area that connects together. So this is my mask here, and what I've done essentially is I've cut this out. I could take, in fact, I could go, well, let's not do that right now. So I've got my mask layer. I'm going to go to image over in this tab. I'm going to use these tabs a bunch right now. This image tab, first of all, I want this mask to apply to every frame in this whole video. So I'm going to click this button here, match movie length. So this mask is going to match the length of the movie, about 2,000 frames. And it's the source is the movie here. Mask. We won't change any of that right now. What we're going to do right now is go down back to the video frame. I'm sorry, the video track here. And over here, we are going to close these up, and way over here, these tabs over here, you see this modifier tab? I'm going to add a strip modifier. In this menu, I have the mask option. In mask input type, mask. And here, this gives me a list of all the masks I've created so far, which is only one of them. Now, you can see here that this has cut out just this part of the mask. Now, copy to selected strips. Append here. Okay, now what we have to do is go back to the strip and go to the compositing area. And I don't want to blend it as a cross. I want to blend as alpha over. And I want this blend as alpha over. So again, these little triangles are my optional menu expansions. I've gone to modifiers and I've created the mask. go back to the strip, adjust, compositing, alpha over, and that's giving me the two people there in that video. Now you notice if I zoom in here, the bottom here is a little messy. So I see I can go into my mask area and extend the mask past the bottom of the front of the screen. So this whole thing will look a little neater see, as we go along. So I can see sort of that this is going to be a better so I can see this is going to be a better application when it updates. Okay,